So many traders do not understand the things that they need to become successful as traders. Some traders think that for them to become successful, they need to have the best trading strategy. That is not the truth. For you to become successful in trading, you must be disciplined. So in this video, I am going to be sharing with you 8 things you must do to become a profitable trader in 2024. If you want to become a profitable trader in 2024, these are the 8 things that you must do to become profitable this 2024. Number 1, you must have a clear, well-defined trading strategy that will determine your entry and your exit, and you have to backtest it thoroughly before using it in a live account. You must have a clear, well-defined trading strategy that determines your entry and exit in the market, and you must have to backtest it on a demo account before you can use it on a live trading account. That is to say, if you are starting as a trader, the first thing you need is to develop a trading strategy. There are so many strategies out there, but all you need is to pick one and develop it. What you need is to master that strategy, backtest it, and make sure that the strategy is profitable in the long run before you can then implement it in a live account. You must have to backtest it on a demo account to confirm if the strategy is profitable in a long run. So for instance, if you are trading based on support and resistance, you must have to backtest this strategy on a demo account. What you have to do is you open a demo account and then you do what we call paper trading. This is what we call backtesting and front testing. So you can use 3 months or 6 months backtesting results to judge whether if the strategy will be profitable in the long run. So what you are backtesting is your win rate and your risk reward ratio. If your win rate is high and your risk reward ratio is high, then you are good to go. But if your win rate is low but your risk reward ratio is high, you are still good to go. So what you are looking for is this strategy profitable in the long run? So that is the first thing you have to do. You must have a clear, defined trading strategy which will determine your entry and your exit, and then you backtest it on a demo account before you can use it on a live account. Number 2, you have to keep a trading journal or a trading record where you record all your trades. The essence of having a trading record is for you to analyze your trades, to know your strengths and your weaknesses, and to find way on how you can improve them. If you understand the importance of having a trading journal by your side, that is to say, whatever trade that you are implementing, you must journal it down. You must have a record book where you write down all your trades. With that, you will know your win and your losses. This will help you to develop a trading psychology, to know that the trading is not all about bed of roses. You don't win all the time. There are times you lose and there are times you win. So having a journal, having a record book where you record all your trades will help you to know whether if your strategy is profitable in the long run or if it is not. Because some traders do judge their performance based on daily activity. You don't judge your trading performance based on the results that you gain in a day, because sometimes you might have 3 days losses. That is to say, you have losses in 3 days. The first day you end up in losses, the second day you end up in losses, and the third day you end up in losses. and you might just conclude that this is the worst trading strategy, you are quitting it, you will no longer use it. That is not how it works, because the remaining 2 days something can happen. Maybe the remaining 2 days is the day that your strategy decided to favor you, and for the fact that you have a good win rate, your win may now overshadow your losses, and you will still be profitable at the end of the week. So that is why you don't have to judge your performance by your daily activities, by your daily trading. You only judge your performances monthly, on a monthly basis. That is why you need to journal down your trades. Have a record where you journal down your trades, because this will enable you to know your strengths and your weaknesses, and also to find way on how you can improve on them. Number three, don't focus on profit. Don't focus on profit. So many traders are always focusing their mind, their attention on profit. They want to make profit. They want to make profit. They want to make profit. Everything about them is profit, profit, profit. Do not focus your mind on profit. Rather, focus your attention on your trading execution. Focus your attention on your trades, your win rate, and your risk reward ratio. Don't focus on profit, because if you have the mindset of profit, 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 it will tempt you into the use of what Matenga strategy, or in other words, we call it revenge trading, in the sense that you start increasing lot sizes whenever you lose, because you want to recover your losses instantly. This is a dangerous way of trading, because if you continue in that path, you might end up blowing your account. So some traders believe that they cannot lose. They want to be profitable all the time. That is not how it works. That is absolutely not how it works. In fact, losing in trading is truly unavoidable. You can't avoid losses in trading, just as death in real life is unavoidable. So you must accept losses. Losses should be part of your trading. Don't only focus on profit, profit, profit. You should also consider that sometimes you will lose. So that is why you are not expected to put all your attention in profit. You are expected to put your attention in your strategy, to focus your mindset in your execution, how you execute your trade. When you are able to analyze a market, what you should focus on is your execution, how you execute your trade, your entry and your exit. These are the things you should take into consideration, and not profit. Profit will come, but that should not be your main priority. Your main priority is your ability to execute your trade excellently, to know when to place a trade and to know when to stay away. That is what matters. You should always look for a trading opportunity where you place a trade, because if you miss an opportunity, you have missed it. That is why you should not put all your mind, all your attention on profit. Rather, you should focus on your trade, how you execute your trade. So this is the way you can be able to profit in the forex market, because once you accept that you can lose and you can win, it will give you a balanced mentality that trading is win and lose. So do not focus all your attention on profit. Rather, you should think of how to increase your win rate, how to decrease your losses, and how to execute your trade profitably instead of focusing on profit. You should have at the back of your mind that losses are inevitable, that definitely you will lose. So what you should think of is how you can limit your losses and increase your win rate. That is how you can become profitable in trading. Number 4, risk management. As a new trader that is just starting in this business, you should know that money management should be your number 1 priority, because if you are able to risk a little amount of money per trade, you have enough money to trade again. That is why risk management is important. So you should be consistent with your risk management, because that is what will help you in the long run. So if you want to become profitable, you have to work on your risk management so as to avoid pitfall. If you risk too much, you end up blowing your account. So you must be consistent with your risk management and your money management. And like I said, 1% still remains the rule. Don't risk more than 1% of your trading capital if you truly want to last long in this business. So that is why you need to consider risk management and be consistent with your risk management. For instance, if you have $10,000 in your trading account, don't risk more than $100 per trade. And if you have $1,000 in your trading account, don't risk more than $10 per trade. That is why risk management is very important, because it will help you in the long run. It will help you to stay in the trade for a very long time. But if you do not respect your risk management, you are going to blow your account in just a matter of time. You can end up losing your account in a day if you don't work on your risk management and your money management. So you must be consistent with your risk management if you truly want to become successful in forex trading. Number 5, you have to have a pre-market plan. That is to say, before you enter trade, you must have a plan in place before you enter a trade. We call it pre-market plan. So what is your plan? Your plan is to analyze the market, to know the key levels where you are expected to take your trades from. That is what we call pre-planning, because before you execute a trade, you must plan how you are going to execute that trade. So you have to plan it first before executing your trade. Some traders will just jump into a trade and start placing trade without even analyzing the market, without even knowing where the market is going to. So that is why before you place a trade, you must analyze the market, do a pre-market analysis to know key levels where you are expected to place your trade, right? Because if the market is in an uptrend, then you are only meant to buy. So where do you buy? You buy when the market makes a pullback to a support level. That is where you are expected to take your buy trade. And if the market is in a downtrend, you wait for a market to make a pullback to a resistance level. And when the market makes a pullback to a resistance level, that is where you are expected to take your sell trade. So before you place a trade, you must first and foremost analyze the market to know the direction that the market is going, because there are different structures in the market. So it is based on your analysis that will determine the particular structure that the market is in. So if the market is in a sideways, it means both the buyers and the sellers are in equilibrium. So you buy from support level and then sell from the resistance level. But if the market is in an uptrend, then you only buy from the support level. And if the market is in a downtrend, then you only sell from the resistance level. So you must know the market structure, have a pre-market analysis before entering a trade. This will help you to become profitable in the forex market. Number 6, avoid social media noise. Avoid social media noise. Don't be deceived by all the noises you are getting from social media. Focus on your trading plan. Don't listen to unrealistic expectations. Focus on your trading plan. The reason why this channel is not getting views is because people are not getting what they want to hear. Like they are not getting what they want to hear, the lies that they want to hear, because what moves people is lies. When you tell them lies, that is what moves them. So you see them, they will be rushing to get more lies from you. That is it. So you should not listen to all the lies on social media. Focus on yourself, focus on your strategy, and create a realistic trading plan. Don't listen to people that will tell you that use this strategy and in 5 days you become a millionaire. Use this strategy and in 10 days you will make millions. Don't listen to those people. Follow a realistic trading plan. a trading plan that will help you to become profitable in the long run. And don't listen to people that wants you to take a particular step that will make you a millionaire in just a matter of 3 or 4 days. That is disastrous, because if you take that plan or that advice, you're going to blow your account, and you know that making money is very difficult. So that is why you should not listen to social media noise. Don't compare yourself to other traders you feel they are doing well, they are driving the best cars, they are buying the best houses. Don't compare yourself to anyone. Focus on your journey. Focus on your journey, where you are going. Don't compare yourself with anyone, because everyone has different method of trading. So you mustn't force yourself to be like someone else. Just develop your own trading strategy and focus on it. Ignore all the noise on social media. Ignore all the noise and focus on your trading. That is what matters. Focus on your trading and be disciplined with your trading. So your journey matters a lot in trading. So stop listening to all the noises on social media and focus on your trading plan. Avoid the distraction of unrealistic gains and focus on a realistic approach in trading, because that is what will determine your success. Number 7, be patient. Patience is very important. Just like they say, a patient dog eats the fattest bone. Be patient. Forex trading is difficult, but if you can patiently follow it, you are going to reap the fruits of your hard labor. Don't cut corners. Don't try to look for short ways. Don't try to pass through the window. Follow the right way and be patient, because in a matter of time, you are going to reap the fruit of your hard labor. Focus on building your own path. Focus on developing your own strategy consistently. Focus on training your emotion, your psychology. Improve on your weaknesses, correct your mistakes, and be consistent with your approach. Then be patient and wait for your hard work to pay off. Some traders are impatient. After giving out their hard work, they will wait and wait and wait. If they're not seeing anything, they'll quit. You have to be patient. You have to be persistent. Never give up. Just keep going. No matter what, keep going. It's just a matter of time, and you will begin to reap the fruit of your hard labor. So you have to be patient as a trader. You have to be patient to place your trade. You don't rush your trade. You have to be patient and wait for a trading opportunity before you can place a trade. And when you place a trade, you must be patient for your take profit to be hit before you can close your trade. Don't be in a haste to close your trade. You must have patience, because patience is very important in trading. So if you want to become profitable in trading, you must learn to be patient. Patient with yourself, patient with the journey, and patient with your trading. That is the surest way of becoming successful in the financial market. And the last one is mental preparedness. You have to prepare yourself mentally. You have to build your self-discipline, self-improvement, personal development. These are the things you need to train yourself to be mentally prepared for this business. Forex trading is a game of brain. You have to be mentally alert if you want to become successful in this business. Don't allow yourself to be used by your emotion, because if you allow emotion to control you, you are going to make so many mistakes upon mistakes that will be wiping your account all the time. Other people will be progressing, and you will just be wiping your account every day. So you have to be mentally prepared. Develop yourself. Personal development is very important. You have to work on your emotions. You have to work on your self-confidence. Whenever you want to place a trade, you need to believe in yourself, believe in your strategy, and place your trade without any fear. So you have to work on yourself very well. Develop a trader mindset. So mental preparedness is very important, because this is one thing you need to become profitable in the forex market. You must think like a trader. You must be disciplined in your trade. Always be disciplined in your trade. Respect your trading rules, respect your trading strategy, and never ever deviate from them. Once you are able to build these 8 principles that I've stipulated in this video, once you're able to work on them, build them, you'll be able to develop a powerful trading arsenal that will help you to become profitable in the forex market in the long run. So that is all I have for you in this video. If you love this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more educative content like this, and turn on the notification icon to be the first to be notified whenever I publish new content. I will see you again in my next update. Enjoy the rest of your day.